Are you tired of fumbling with tiny physical SIM cards? What if I told you there's a way to activate your phone plan in just a few taps? That's right, we're talking about eSIMs. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to set up an eSIM in your iPhone, and stick around until the end because I'll show you a hidden feature that adds an extra layer of security to your new digital SIM. Step number 1, first things first, let's make sure iPhone is compatible. Not all models can handle an eSIM. You'll need an iPhone 10, 10s, or a newer model like the 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, or 17. If you got one of those, you're good to go. Next, you need to be connected to a Wi-Fi network. This is a crucial step. Head into your settings, tap on Wi-Fi, and connect to a reliable network. You can't use a cellular connection for this process, it has to be Wi-Fi. Step number 3 is adding your eSIM. Once you're connected to Wi-Fi, go back to your main settings screen, tap on cellular. Now look for a button that says add eSIM or set up cellular plan. You have a few options here. Transfer from a nearby iPhone. If you're upgrading from an older iPhone, this is the easiest way. Just tap this option. As long as your old phone is unlocked and nearby, your iPhone will automatically detect this eSIM and transfer data over. No manual entry required. Using a QR code. If you're curious, enter your QR code, simply select use QR code and point your camera at it. The iPhone will instantly read the code and begin the activation process. Final step and bonus tip. After you go through this process, your iPhone will securely connect to your carrier. Your new eSIM will show up under cellular settings, complete with your phone number and other settings. Now, for the extra security tip I promised, you can add an extra layer of protection to your new eSIM by setting a SIM pin. Scroll down on your cellular settings page, and you'll find the option to set a unique passcode just for this eSIM by setting a SIM pin. This prevents unauthorized use of your SIM if your phone is ever lost or stolen. Ever wondered how to turn on NFC on your iPhone? Check out this video to learn how.